stop sign. stop sign. And pastures on both sides. There's some goats, cows. Most of the farms here are cows, and I guess second would be sheep and goats. There are few who raise some horses, but the horses they have are for racing and what's the other one? However they call it, not expert with. And our Matthew farm, and the main product, agricultural product of Georgia is peanut, potatoes, corn, pecan, soy, and what else was the other one? forgot the other one. But those are mainly our agricultural product here. So we're going to turn to the right in going to Carrollton. Ay, grabe siya. Ay, ang laki ng truck. Okay, we're safe. Oh, so this is Highway 113. And farms pa rin on both sides. Some farms, they just planted some hay, and on the areas where it's raised cow, they could just let the cow eat the grass after they harvest the hay. So ayan, basura. Madami din yung natatapon ng basura dito, guys. So it's not like the thing that we thought na ang linis-linis. O sa Bisaya pa, nagihapoy the map dire. So 45 ang speed. Maghinahay jud ko dire ba sa school zone kay, oh my god, bisag kuan 45, but I'm running 40. Ingon siya 45 when flash is on now. Pero I just have to be careful because the cameras, it could caught you and then they will just mail you your ticket. And then mahirap pa i-contest yan because the camera caught you. Walang hindi siya video that will tell you indeed you are speeding. So you have to watch out during school days. That's why I usually just go on lunchtime, not early or like mid or late afternoon, because that's also the time when the students are going home. So my bus, isa din na careful na mag pass ng kaluoy sa kuwan, wild animal na ligsan. Mag-pass sa bus, dako po na siya ticket. So mas nice man po na you don't really have, you don't get ticket. That's achievement. Rare case lang na people will not have ticket. Diba? It's like, kung sa exam pa, you are perfect. Right? So this is already part of Carrollton. It's another city of Georgia, and this is Carroll County. What I like in highways, mas malapad yung shoulder, but there are some high parts of the highways na lang din, hanggang sa white line lang din yung shoulder. So that's kind of scary kay the roads or the landscape or the land here in Georgia are hindi siya flat, so dapat siya bakilid. It's really scary. And pag naapad yung mulabang na wild animals, then you probably could fall in the ditch. My God, gani kay layo ang nagkuan sa ako nag follow kasagaran ba yan mag-drive kay arang hinaya jud ako mag-drive. My gosh, mahadlok jud ko makabangga ko. So kuan kanang unsa ni hinay ko magpadagan mag-follow jud ko sa speed limit kaning mga tawo uban diri kay nagdali man permi. So mao na ang makabangga sila. O diha, yun ako bahala na lang mo kamong magbanggaan diha, ayaw lang ko apila. So we're going to turn right to turn to the kani unsa nato katuyuan. We're going to the vet to get little girls kuan kanang yahang medicine. Then we're going to cross Highway 27 on the traffic light. So I usually just stay on the right side because I'm slow. But sa unahan magkuan na tamag left kay the kuan. The vet clinic is on the left. Unta wala kaayo sakyanan kay pastilan. Mao jud nay akong struggle ang mag-merge kay I tend to slow down and my husband will always scold me that you don't slow down because they will hit you in your butt. Banggaon daw ko sa ako ang lupot. Banggaan na jud bitaw ko. Pero dili man ako sayo kay kuan man to kanang kuan ba ka na nagtinanga ra siya. Okay. Wala siya nagtanaw sa iyang front and we're supposed to merge on the highway. Naghangad naman din akong kuan. Akong camera. So daghang kay siya libre no, kay magbanggaan man na sila diri. Kaning mga crossing. They're always in a hurry. Grabe sila ka kanang kuan. Gusto lang niya magpaunahon ni Eko. Ay, naku. And that's kuan OFS. So this is already Columbia Drive. Nagsunod sa ako are very kuan, very gentle. Wala na ra ba ang ako ang new driver sign sa likod. Ever since naga-drive ko. Wa jud ako to siya tanggala o niya kaning akong this is south wire. Kaning akong bana pag mag-drive ani SUV. Magkuan man dayon siya mag-speed. So makuan siya nga kanang nganong magkuan daw makuan daw siya o kuan speedy basta ni new driver kay paspas ba siya magkuan drive. So ayan niyangad na po siya. So we're here, ayan, that's the clinic. The holder is not really kanang kuan holding that good. Basta jud no. This is my struggle. Mag-atras abante, atras ko. Right here.